Hi, I'm Emma Cook, founder and director of the Australian Natural Soap Company. I'm really excited today to talk to you about our soap flakes and our dish and laundry soap. For years, this is how my household has done our dishes, cleaned our clothes, and did a lot of cleaning around the house. And to be honest, we got a lot of strange looks. But the fact that these two products have become some of our best sellers is so exciting, and it just goes to show how simple it can be to reduce your plastic waste around the household. The first thing I wanted to say is that these two products are interchangeable and can be used for the same purpose. The only difference is the soap flakes are pre-grated, which cuts out that step. They're also a really great way for our company to reduce our waste that comes from our manufacturing process. They actually come from the offcuts of our soap that we make, which we then grind down. They really do take the reduce, reuse, recycle concept to the next level. There are three main uses that we recommend for these cleaning products. Firstly, we recommend adding a heaped tablespoon of grated down soap to your hot or cold washing. For front loaders, just add directly to your washing. You can also add a small amount to hand washing, or you can rub the laundry bar directly to stains. For dishwashing, just add a small amount of grated soap to water and let it dissolve. You can also use the dish bar in a soap cage, which you can swirl in water. Or you can wet the soap and apply to a dish brush and then use. You can also rub the bar directly onto your dishes. And finally, one of my favourite ways to use the soap flakes is add 1 part soap to 1 part hot water, let it dissolve, and then you have yourself a cleaning paste. You can use this gel for cleaning all around the house, as well as for your dishes and for your washing. Lastly, I just wanted to talk about the packaging for our soap flakes. It's one of the few things in our range that uses bioplastic, because if we didn't use any lining, it would sweat. But don't worry, what we use is treated plastic that breaks down after 10 years, instead of the 500 to 600 years for normal plastic. Shop our range of cleaning products at our website today.